Welcome. In front of me is a MyPhone N23, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, doing such a reset will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. So I do have one set right here just for this purpose. And to get started, all you will need to do is turn off your device. So swipe down from the top of your screen twice and then select the boot options right here and choose shut down. Once the device turns off, hold the power button and volume up at the same time, and this will boot us into boot mode. And from here, you can let go of the buttons, and using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode. So just make sure that the arrow jumps all the way to the top. Once it did, press volume down to confirm it. On the next page, which will be the recovery mode, you'll be able to use both volume buttons to navigate either up or down, depending on which one you press. And with that in mind, you will want to select or wipe data, factory reset, and confirm it using your power button. Then select factory data reset and confirm it. It will show that it's formatting data, and then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power button once more, and this will now reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now this will take about 3 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.